Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install the Elecgreen Electronic Multipurpose WooCommerce theme. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced WordPress user, this tutorial will help you set up your theme quickly and easily. So, let's get started. Step 1, Requirements, 40 seconds. Before installing Elecgreen, make sure you have a few things ready. First, ensure that you have a WordPress website already installed and running. Second, make sure your hosting meets the recommended requirements, like PHP version 7.4 or higher and MySQL 5.6 or higher. Third, download the Elecgreen theme package from your ThemeForest account. Once you have all of these ready, we can proceed to the installation. Step 2, Access WordPress Admin, 30 seconds. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by going to your website URL and adding /wp-admin at the end. Enter your username and password, and you'll land on the dashboard, which is where we'll install the theme. Step 3, Upload theme via WordPress, 1 minute. On the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Here you'll see all installed themes. Click on Add New at the top, and then click on Upload Theme. Choose the Elecgreen zip file that you downloaded earlier, and click Install Now. WordPress will upload and install the theme for you. Once installed, click Activate to make Elecgreen your live theme. Step 4, Install required plugins, 1 minute. After activation, a notification will appear asking you to install required plugins. These are essential for the theme to function properly, such as WooCommerce, Elementor, and any slider or demo content plugins. Click Begin installing plugins, select all plugins, and choose Install. Once installed, activate them all. These plugins ensure that your theme looks exactly like the demo. Step 5, Import demo content, 2 minutes. To make your site look like the Elecgreen demo, you can import demo content. Go to the Demo Import or Import Demo Data section in your dashboard, usually under the Theme options. Choose the demo you like and click Import. This process may take a few minutes depending on your server speed. After importing, your website will have all the demo pages, menus, products, and images ready. Step 6, Configure WooCommerce, 1 minute 30 seconds. Since Elecgreen is a WooCommerce theme, you need to configure your online store. Go to WooCommerce in the dashboard and follow the setup wizard. Add your store details, such as currency, location, payment methods, and shipping options. Make sure everything is saved correctly. Once set, your store is ready to sell products online. Step 7, Customize the theme, 2 minutes. Now, it's time to customize the theme. Go to Appearance and click on Customize. Here, you can edit your site identity, logo, colors, typography, header, footer, and more. Elecgreen also comes with Elementor Page Builder, so you can open any page and click Edit with Elementor to drag and drop elements, create sections, and style your pages visually without coding. Step 8, Test your website, 1 minute. Before going live, it's important to test your website. Check your homepage, product pages, and menus. Test your store by adding a product to the cart and going through the checkout process. Make sure everything works perfectly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the theme documentation or plugin settings to adjust them. Step 9, Final touches, 40 seconds. Finally, configure additional settings such as SEO plugins, caching, and security plugins to optimize your website's performance. Add your content, products, and images, and ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Now your Elecgreen theme is fully installed and ready to impress your visitors. Closing, 30 seconds. That's it. You've successfully installed the Elecgreen Electronic Multipurpose WooCommerce theme and set up your online store.